Hey traders, welcome to this week's recap. In this video, I'll walk you through the trades I took and share the technical reasoning behind each one. As a former programmer, I built my own trading bot. It acts like an assistant and brings my trading mindset to the chart, highlighting trading zones, Fibonacci levels, structure breaks, and liquidity grabs. Let's see how the week played out. Our trading bot has identified and marked a potential sell zone on the chart. Let's take a look at the schematic of our short setup and then go over the key factors on the chart based on this structure. Most of the conditions in our bot's trading checklist are now met. Now we just need to wait for price to enter our golden zone. Our previous trade hit the take profit and closed successfully. Almost immediately after, price entered a golden buy zone. The bot quickly identified the zone, ran through its checklist, and executed a new trade without hesitation. That's the speed and precision we've come to expect from our trading bot. Now, our trading bot has identified and marked a buy zone on the chart. Let's take another look at the schematic of our long setup, and then review the key factors on the chart based on this structure. Before entering a trade, we focus on four core factors. 1. Liquidity sweep. 2. Break of structure. 3. Strong impulse move. 4. Golden Fibo zone. If these conditions are clearly present, we consider the setup valid for entry. But if we also have supporting factors like IDM or divergence in the zone, they significantly boost the setup's credibility and increase the probability of a successful trade. Now, one of the core rules I stick to in my daily trading is this. No matter what happens, I always close all open positions by the end of the day. In this particular case, price got really close to my take profit level, but instead of holding on and risking overnight uncertainty, I closed the trade before the session ended. It's all about discipline and consistency over chasing that extra few pips. The bot has aggressively identified a new buy zone, but in my opinion, it's not an ideal choice. There's a significant amount of liquidity resting just below this area, along with a large price gap that has a high probability of being filled. This is one of those situations where the bot's logic could definitely be improved and refined in future updates. As expected, price moved toward filling the price gap. In this region, we have a golden zone formed by the confluence of the golden Fibo zone and a fair value gap. The bot is currently waiting for entry confirmation to open a buy trade in this area.
All open trades are closed at the end of each trading day to minimize risk and protect your account from overnight exposure.
Here, the bot aggressively traded a structure based on its setup, but this setup is actually against the overall market trend. With the right configuration, we can instruct the bot to avoid taking trades against the dominant trend. In such cases, it's wiser to remain patient and disciplined, and wait for a valid setup that aligns with the primary market direction. All right, friends, that wraps up another weekly trading recap. Thanks so much for sticking with me until the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. Feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps and keeps us going.